Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's Jasmy video update for Wednesday 24th of August, and we are having a lot of trouble with Jasmy at the moment. So I want to actually do this from the very scratch, from the very beginning once again, and here we are. So let's talk about the daily. First of all, the daily looks really bad. The daily is not as amazing as it seems. But you do have this is actually very funny because right now you're putting in a bear flag. Okay, number one, that's a bear flag you're putting in. At the same time, you're putting in a diamond reversal pattern. So this is a diamond bottom right now. So what is it going to be? Is the bear flag going to play out, or is this diamond bottom going to play out? Because they just gave us a bearish pattern and they gave us a bullish pattern as well. So let's talk about the diamond bottom at the moment. And let me show you this one and what I'm talking about. Okay, yeah, so when the prices are moving down and you can see that there's a downtrend like this, and then the prices form this support and resistance in such a way that they form a diamond. So that's a diamond bottom right there. So this is boom, 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 and boom. Okay, so it actually means a reversal to the upside. Now the thing is, the break hasn't happened, so we cannot I cannot say that it's going to move up, but there are chances to actually move up. So it doesn't mean that you've made a diamond bottom and you cannot move to the downside. You can still break to the downside, and if it does break to the downside, that bear flag is going to be in effect. And right now we're moving and moving and moving, right? So that's the bottom diamond bottom pattern that we're looking for. And right now at the moment, the technical target for the bear flag takes you from there to there, and you're looking to come down all the way to nearly 0.007, and that's going to be a price drop from this current price at the moment, like a 21%, 22% move to the downside. Now it is what it is. Right now there's a little bit of support, so it's believable that you can still go up. So here's a support. This is the consolidation box that I previously talked about. So it's pretty much making a diamond bottom right at the support level. So there are chances at the moment that you do break to the upside and maybe go back up. Who knows? But one thing I'm going to tell you, you don't want to see Jasmy coming down, lose this trend line. And if it does lose that trend line, close below that trend line, there's good chance that's going to be more solid evidence that it's going to move down. So if you do see it losing this yellow line and closing below that yellow line, then it's going to drop really badly. And that's pretty much it for this Jasmy video update. Quick one. I'm going to see you in the next update at Allah Hafiz.